The featured company is a paid client of Proactive Group Holdings, and this recording is disseminated by Proactive on its behalf.
So we're going to be starting with the Manhattan target area, which returned results of 8.1% U3O8 from our prospecting last year, which is really exceptional. Never been drill tested ever. In addition to that, we've got two broad other target areas that we're calling Brooklyn and Tribeca.
Welcome back inside our Proactive newsroom, and joining me now on site at their Corvo project is CEO John Bay and Vice President of Exploration Sean Hillacre with Standard Uranium. Sean, good to see you.
Good to see you as well, Steve.
Yeah, good to have you both with us. Exciting times ahead as you get to drilling at Corvo. And so why don't we start with the beginning parts of this and just the program itself of getting on the ground here, John, and very exciting times for the company.
Yeah, thanks for the intro, Steve. As your viewers know, and we put out a news release today, we are up at the Corvo site right now. Drills have started spinning. We've got our base drill company up here working with us, and of course we've got our Standard Uranium team running the operations. Corvo was the first of multiple drill programs we're doing this year, and we're really excited to be up here kicking it off and getting things underway.
Yeah, this is one of those joint projects where someone's paying the money in order to earn interest in this, and you run the operation, right?
Exactly. So our partners at Aventis are funding this operation. They've got a 3-year earn-in where they can earn up to 75% of the project by spending on all the exploration, paying us cash, paying us shares, and paying us to operate. So for us, it's wonderful. It's great to have Aventis as our good partners and funding this. And our team of geos are up here running the program. So eager to get those drilled, get the core coming in, and start to see some results.
Sean, talk to me a bit about the drill program. How many meters you plan to do, sort of the areas you're looking at, and what the plan is.
Yeah, so we're looking at about 3,000 meters, Steve, on this one. It'll be the first drill program on this project in more than 40 years. I believe the last drill holes that were drilled anywhere on the project were in 1980. So really looking forward to testing some of these new target zones that we kind of identified and confirmed during our prospecting program last year in 2025. So we're going to be starting with the Manhattan target area, which returned results of 8.1% U3O8 from our prospecting last year, which is really exceptional. Never been drill tested ever. In addition to that, we've got two broad other target areas that we're calling Brooklyn and Tribeca. So we'll be getting to those as well, following up on some of the mineralized drill holes that were drilled back in 1979, 1980 as well. We've upgraded our geophysics across the project, so we'll be focusing on both of the two different conductors on the project. We've got more than 29 kilometers of strike length here to test, so we'll be focusing on the portions of that have returned the best prospecting results so far, coupled with the new geophysics. So about 8 to 10 drill holes across these areas and 3,000 meters. Yeah.
Yeah, just on that, Sean, just so investors understand that pre-work and just the importance of it before you even put, a drill into the ground, that's so significant in the work that you're doing and others in your area do as well.
Yeah, that's right, Steve. It's a lot of groundwork goes into it. A lot of effort in geoscience to really make sure we're picking the best targets possible. We don't want to just go wildcat drilling and step along there systematically, but we really want to make sure that we're using the deposits in the area as models, what we've learned in the last, decade or 15 years on basement-hosted uranium in the Athabasca Basin region, and really tie that into our target areas here. So it's very important to use an integrated approach with all the geophysics, the surface work, previous drilling, and tie that all together and marry it together to new drill targets.
John, as Sean said, this is the first look at Corvo, but this is not the first time we're going to be talking about drilling for the company in 2026. You've got a very aggressive program plan for this year.
Yeah, that's right, Steve. Thanks for mentioning that. So we're starting off at Corvo. This is going to run about 5 or 6 weeks here, and then we're going to get right over to our Rocus project, which we're going to start in the first week of March. That's about a 4-week program. And then we're going to take a little break during breakup, and we're going to come back to our flagship Davidson River. That'll kick off probably mid to late May, and that's going to run all through the summer. And we're working on a couple other deals right now behind the scenes, and we hope to have some more programs announced for the fall and winter of this year. So it's going to be an exceptional year of drill programs, exploration programs, and lots of news flow for Standard Uranium.
All right, we look forward to that. Gentlemen, good luck on everything. We look forward to seeing some of the results when they're available. And thanks for taking the time to be with us. I know it's a lot of work ahead, but appreciate you taking the time for us.
Thanks so much, Steve. And as you can tell, we're dressed. We're heading out to the drill in a few minutes, and it's kind of chilly around here, so we got to dress warm.
That's right.
There you go. Makes a lot of sense. All right, guys, thanks.
Take care,
Thanks, guys.
everyone.
All right, Sean Hillacre, Vice President of Exploration. John Bay, the CEO, Standard Uranium.
The featured company is a paid client of Proactive Group Holdings, and this recording is disseminated by Proactive on its behalf. It is for informational purposes only and does not constitute investment advice, an offer, or a solicitation to buy or sell any securities. Viewers should conduct their own research and consult a qualified financial advisor before making investment decisions. The views expressed are those of the speaker and do not necessarily reflect those of Proactive Group Holdings, trading as Proactive Investors or its affiliates. No responsibility is accepted for any loss arising from reliance on the information presented.